We're on the hunt for a new account manager. What was I meant to say again? We need a new account manager at Dilate Digital. Are you that? Them? They? Would you like to be an account manager with us? Here are a few things that might be handy to have. Damn it. Are you our next account manager? If you think this job might be right for you, here are a few of the things we're looking for.
I want to see that they've got a sense of humour, that they can get along with all of us crew here and can communicate really well with clients.
I don't know, bubbly. I think someone who likes working in a team, who has good vibes, who has analytical brains, and yeah, who likes having fun while they're working.
Great customer service skills, personal skills, communication skills, ability to work within a team, time management, motivation, and attention to detail.
Great with people, has a bit of EQ, understands a little bit how business works, and I guess the stresses that a business owner or marketing manager might be going through, or wanting to smash the status quo, constantly striving for improvement and a better way of doing things. You'll be able to solve most problems that you come across.
Yeah, damn straight you will. What he said.
I want to see someone with a kick-ass attitude, hardworking, not a douche. Don't be a douche. We don't like douche. Has a good attitude, but someone who's willing to be taught as well. So someone that's willing to come in and learn the Dilate way and really become a part of the team here.
Tell me, if the next account manager walked through the door right now, what would you want them to have?
I want them to be good looking.
What would you like them to possess in their personality?
Oh, sorry. I think the next account manager should be a go-getter.
Who cares about the people that they work with, not only their clients, but the actual people that they sit next to and share a desk with. They also want to constantly learn themselves and keep improving and upskilling. They want to have a say in the way the business that they work for grows, the direction it moves.
Somebody who is really resilient, somebody who works well and thrives under pressure as well, because you probably will be doing a lot of different tasks at the same time, so you really want to be the type of person who sees the fun in that. Just somebody who's really driven. Like if you've got a really good work ethic, I think that is probably the main factor.
The less afraid they are to be weird, the better. But at the same time, also knowing when it's time to be serious. Yeah, being able to have a good attitude where they can let loose, have a beer, relax. Don't have to drink, of course. Who lives the motto, which is Dilate, which is create business, so who wants to help businesses grow and be better every day.